Story time. So who remembers this heatless stretching method that I posted some time ago? I got so many messages asking for the final video. So let me confess, I planned to stretch my hair and then loosen it after 3 days. However, I was 5 weeks pregnant when I shot this video, and it took 2 weeks before I could unravel it. I had morning sickness. It took a lot. I was in the right state, so it took me 2 whole weeks, and I literally struggled to shoot this video. Okay, so that's my confession. Yeah, and it has taken over a year. This was May 2021. By the time I loosened it, I noticed my hair was dry. It wasn't what I expected, but well, due to the demands, I decided to post the final results. So my hair was dry, and I wasn't happy that I wasn't able to stick to the 3-day plan that I initially had, but then I was still willing to see what the result was. So my hair was a bit dry, so I had to do a bit of moisturizing, and by the time I was done with it, it seemed like my hair was shrinking because moisture makes your hair shrink. Though I didn't add water, I used a water-based leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair. So yeah, but as you can see, if I had stuck with the 3-day plan, I probably would have seen better results than this. Yeah, so just keep watching to see what I came up with at the end of the video. Hopefully I'll be able to do an updated one soon enough, but for now, just manage this one. So when I realized the way things were going, I decided to try out twisting the hair, and it didn't turn out bad. It actually even looked better because I stretched it out, so it wasn't shrunken. It was long. My twists were elongated, so I liked the results, and I decided to continue. So as you can see, I'm done twisting most of the sections, and I'm left with only the front. I was so tired, like I was literally throwing up in the middle of this video because I didn't like the smell of my products any longer. I didn't like the smell of anything any longer. So yeah, so that was what happened. I couldn't even use a comb to section my hair. I was just using my fingers. I was so tired. But then I just had to do this for you guys. Yeah, so I'm almost done. I made it. And we are done. Yeah, so let me know what you think. If you'd be willing to try this. Yeah, but I like the fact that it was a bit stretched out. So let us know if you'd be willing to try this. Bye. Thanks for watching.